Mastering Metaphors, Elevating Your Academic and Professional Writing. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting journey in our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today, we are going to focus on a fascinating aspect of English language, metaphorical language, specifically how to practice the use of metaphorical language in academic and professional writing. We all know that metaphors can give your writing a creative edge, but when used thoughtfully and correctly, they can also elevate your professional discourse. Metaphorical language, at its core, is about using words or phrases in a way that is different from their usual, literal meaning to create a particular image or idea. Metaphors are more than just decorative language. They are powerful tools that can illuminate complex ideas and add depth to your academic and professional writing. For instance, if we say, "The company is a ticking time bomb," it's not meant literally but to suggest that the company is heading for a disaster or a significant problem in the future. Such metaphors can make our language more vivid and our arguments more compelling. But why should we use metaphorical language in formal contexts? Doesn't it risk being unclear or misunderstood? Well, clarity is indeed vital in professional settings, but that doesn't mean your writing should be devoid of creative expressions. Metaphors can simplify complex ideas by comparing them to familiar concepts. Add depth to your arguments, making them more persuasive. Engage your reader's imagination, which makes your writing more memorable. Now, let's move on to the exciting part. How can you effectively use metaphorical language in your academic and professional writing? 1. Reading widely. Start by reading a range of texts, from academic papers to reputable newspapers and professional reports, that use metaphorical language well. 2. Practice. Try incorporating metaphors in your writing, starting with simple ones and gradually introducing more complex metaphors. 3. Reflection. After writing, take time to review and consider if the metaphors used actually enhance the text or cause confusion. Remember, the goal is to clarify and enrich, not to confuse. 4. Seek feedback. Share your writing with others. Fresh eyes can help spot metaphors that might not work as well as you thought they did. That wraps up our session on developing metaphorical language skills for academic and professional writing. Remember, metaphors are not just about adding flair to your language. They are about communicating complex ideas in an accessible and engaging way. So go ahead, add some metaphorical sparkle to your writing and watch it transform into something truly impressive. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.